Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another Walmart Ibotta haul, and we picked up a bunch of new stuff. So let's see what we bought today. And we had really great bonuses this week because I actually had a $5 and a $3. And so the first one was $3 for 10 offers, and the second one was for 15 offers, and I did the first 10, which counted for the 15. So then I just had to get 5 more. And so let me show you guys some of the things I did. And then because I was like low on time, I actually just got like gift cards, and so that added on. And I bought like a Walmart gift card because I just keep going back to Walmart. So anyways, like that, I bought a where you can redeem the money. I used it for gift cards. They give you, I think, 5% back too as well. And then also I did a pick up in store. So I just bought something. I actually bought something from Forever 21 because it's like the cheapest store and they have ship to store. So I bought, I think, a pair of socks that were like 80 cents just to hit that bonus. And I literally bought these within like, I think there was like 50 minutes remaining on Ibotta for this bonus. But let me show you guys what I got. And if you're new here to my channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see next week's deal and you can go Ibotta Walmart shopping with me. Alright, so the first item isn't from Walmart, but the rest of the items are from Walmart. But I think maybe you could do this one at Walmart too, but my Walmart doesn't carry these. But check your Ibotta. But I got these at Target. So this is a core bar, the peanut butter chocolate. You can actually buy this one and the core bar coconut immunity, but my Target doesn't carry it, so I just picked this one up. But this one is completely free. But if you picked up the peanut butter chocolate and the coconut one, they would both be free. And I think there's a Target circle that gives you $5 off. But if you only find this one in your store like I did, but they're priced at $2.49, you're gonna get back $2.50 back on Ibotta. And then you're going to get back 10 cents for any energy bar. And this is honestly such a great deal. Be sure to go and pick these up. And because of that any energy bar, this makes it a 2 offers on Ibotta. Okay, so the next couple of products that I got actually have 2 deals attaching to them. So this is the Listerine Strong Teeth. This is priced at $5.43. You're gonna get back $1.50 on Ibotta because it's a Listerine Strong Teeth. Then you're gonna get back $1 because it's a Listerine Smart Rinse, making this only $2.93 for mouthwash, and it counts as 2 Ibotta offers, which makes it worth it. Alright, so this is the next deal. You're going to pick up this Copper Tone Pure and Simple Baby. The great thing about it is that it's 100% mineral. So there's mineral and chemical sunblock, and this one is a mineral, so it works with zinc and it blocks the sun rays. So you're going to pick this up. It's priced at $8.97. You're going to get back $2.50 because you picked up a Copper Tone Pure and Simple sunscreen. And then you're going to get back $3 because you got a Copper Tone Sports Mineral sunscreen. And I don't know if it works on the regular one, but I only saw this baby one and it's exactly the same as the normal one. It's 50, and even the zinc percentage is exactly the same. And if you want to try it on the regular one and see if it scans in your store, let me know. But be sure to pick this up for the summertime so you're not gonna get a massive sunburn or anything. Okay, so this is the next item. So this is the Popcorn Indiana, the sweet and salty kettle corn. You can get the movie corn or you can get the chocolate one that has like I think it's like regular chocolate and white chocolate drizzle. So this is priced at $2.94. You're going to get back $1.25 back on Ibotta, making this $1.69. And who doesn't love corn? Alright, so this is the next deal that I got. I've done this a couple times. So this is a mini agua sparkling water. So this water is actually really nice and bubbly. And so you're going to pick up 4 of these. You're going to pay 78 cents for them. Then you're going to get $1 back on Ibotta for buying any mini agua. So I think it's 4, and then you're gonna get back $1 because it's also scanning for Ciudad Mendua, which you only need to buy 3, but you just need to buy 4 in order to get those 2 Ibotta rebates to work, and you're gonna pay $1.12 for these 4. Alright, so this is the next one that we're doing. So these are the Nerds Gummy Clusters. These are priced at 98 cents. You're going to get back 50 cents on Ibotta, making these only 48 cents. And these are actually really good. Alright, so next time you're at Walmart, make sure to walk down the coffee aisle because they have a ton of coffees on clearance. And I don't even drink coffee, but this was a great deal to give to my mom and sister who love drinking coffee. So this is the Don Francisco coffee. Check your store to see if you guys have this one or if you have other coffees that are on sale. So this one is on clearance for $1.79. You're gonna get back 10 cents for buying any coffee, and this is only $1.69. Actually picked up 2. So let me know if you find any clearance coffee in your store. Thanks for watching my channel. I hope you liked this video. If you're new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see next week's deal. And let me know in the comments below what your favorite deal was. And let me know if you hit all of your bonuses. Bye!